Okay guys, so it's a new day and I'm transforming another room in the house because that's just what I'm going to be doing now. This week that I'm recording this is the week that I didn't upload on Monday. I was really in a slump yesterday, but you know, it's fine, I'm over it now. And that room in the apartment's fully done, so that transformation will be going up this weekend. But let me show you this room. This is like the junk room. Everything is just thrown in here. I don't even know where to begin. So like everything's just gonna be going, and even the light is gonna be going. Curtains are gonna be going. TV can stay. New color on the walls. Like it's just gonna be a different room when I'm finished. And also the room where the cuisine's workout stuff is all going to be coming into this room because upstairs at the minute. But if you can see the wall, there's chips starting to come out of it because weights are so heavy. So it's going to move in here. Okay guys, so I'm turning this room into like my kind of office studio space. This wall is where Dean had his workout equipment. We moved that down to this room downstairs instead. So I'm just going to remove this and we're going to paint the whole thing white. And then we'll see where we go from there. So this is just before.
You're not funny. Off.
Okay guys, so a package from H&M arrived today, and I think I know what it is because like obviously I ordered stuff from H&M. But that's very aggressive. What? Hold on a second. Not everything has arrived. I ordered 3 things and only one of them have arrived, so this is kind of confusing. So now I'm gonna have to call customer service and ask where my shit is. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so I ordered this. It's just like just a glass, like mirrored ball. It's open at the bottom. So you could even make this into like a vase, I'd say, which would be cool. So it's multifunctional, which I like. And what other things are missing? They're not here, so we have to get on that. I swear to you, if you hit my camera. Hello, so I'm here in my soon-to-be office studio space, and I just cleared out all the cupboards, and yeah, that's what's left. So what the plan is like all this stuff here is rubbish. That stuff over there is Dean's. This stuff there is mine. Oh, and also side note, if that's gonna focus, I slit my finger open. Yes, that is me. Slit my finger open, living my best life. And yeah, that's the plan. And then tomorrow, if like the weather isn't like this, yeah, if the weather isn't like this, they've lifted some of the like, oh my god, why isn't this not working for me today at all? They've lifted some of the kind of restrictions. Well, I mean, lifted some of them. You're allowed to meet with people outside your household, up to 5 kilometers from your house, and you still have to remain like 2 meters between you. So if the weather is good, I'll be able to see my friends for like the first time in like weeks, so months at this stage. So it's exciting. So I'll probably like meet up, like have a few drinks or something, and yeah. I won't be posting on social media though because no one else needs to know. I finished editing a video for Wednesday as well. I was so funny because in the video I said that that type of video is easy to edit and it takes not a long time, but ironically that video turned out taking a very long time to do, so Love that. As you can hear, it's a crazy house at the moment. Dean's just putting in oops, almost swore. A whiteboard down the gym so he can write down his workouts. I don't know. But yeah, still clearing away here. This is all Dean's like old stuff that like he obviously doesn't want anymore, so they're all getting thrown out as well. I'm not going to tell him mum though what now because she's like the biggest hoarder like ever, so she'll definitely keep everything just like in case. But I'm not a hoarder at all. I hate shit. Just hanging out. I can't take myself seriously with this. But like, I mean, honestly though, like it does match my outfit. Like that was not even intentional. I just noticed that now. So I mean, love it. So yeah, so like some of the restrictions have been lifted now in Ireland, so you're able to meet up with like up to 4 people outside your household within 5 kilometers of your house, but you have to meet up outside and you have to remain 2 meters between everyone. So yeah, it's still like pretty strict, but like I mean, if it helps this disappear, I'm all for it. So this is what I do. I just put it all over my face like in dots, and then I just blend it in my fingers because do I care? No. I probably should get like something to like, you know, maneuver it in, but like I also don't care. And also like my finger is still slashed. So oh my god, for a second I was like, wait, I can see 2 of them. Oh yeah. Hi. So yeah, we're about to hit 1.5k on here, and I actually cannot breathe because like that's just like so crazy to me. And now I need to sneeze. Perfect. But yeah, I've got my like studio pretty much finished. I'm just waiting for like all the furniture arrive, which is really exciting. Like I suppose that's one good thing I suppose about this whole lockdown thing is like half the things I've been doing like I would not have done if the lockdown was still on. And also like I think I'm going back to work now in the next like few weeks, so I'm excited about that. You know, like low key I'm like not that upset that the lockdown happened because I was like really stressed before, like with work and everything, like trying to balance everything. So like it was kind of like a relief, but like also I like being busy, so like it was kind of annoying. But like I want to know like how you guys are dealing with it. Like how are you like how are you like getting through this, and like what are you doing to keep yourself entertained? What are your plans once this lockdown is over? Like what's the first thing you're gonna do? Are you gonna go shopping? Are you gonna travel? Are you just gonna walk down the street or go to the next town? I'd love to know, so let me know down in the comments. This is like so hard to do with one finger. Oh my god, because I'm usually like with my 2 like these fingers, but like I only have 1, so like it's very stressful and difficult. Like it's taking way longer than it normally would. And my hair is also a mess, so like let's not even talk about that because right, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my tried and true. This is like the best thing ever, Fenty Beauty lip balm. It's like my favorite. I also like when I'm editing these like parts of the vlog, when I'm like doing this, I realize that like I'm always halfway through like a sentence and then I stop talking to like focus on what I'm doing, and then I forget about it. So I just want to say sorry about that. And guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I mean, I know it might look like on camera that like, you know, I found this whole thing very easy. I'm like just having a great time, like just making videos and just like, you know, creating content and just like working on myself. But like I mean honestly, like there's been a lot of stages where I've been like very down about everything, like because I thought I was like someone who liked to be by myself a lot, but like honestly I miss socializing, and I miss like getting ready to go somewhere, and I miss like work, and I miss like normalness. You know what I mean? Like I miss that. I miss going to a coffee shop. I miss going and like asking for like a latte, or I miss going and getting diesel. Like it's the little things like that I miss, but like it's fine. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready. I'm just gonna put on my outfit now. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. It's just like jeans, a white t-shirt, this kind of shirt thing, and jacket because I don't want to be cold because we have to be outside. So, and we're dressed. Okay guys, so the audio of this section of the vlog is probably going to be significantly better than the other parts because I done a Boots skincare haul and I'm not like 100% sure yet if I'm going to make this a separate video or just put it into the vlog, so we're just going to roll with it. Okay, but here is what I got in Boots. Now I spent like about €76, which isn't like the most I spent in Boots. Like, I mean, it's not like I only got like just some essentials. Okay, so first thing I got was Listerine Advanced White mouthwash. This is just like, I mean, basic, everyone needs this. If you don't use mouthwash, I'm sorry to say this, but you're not very hygienic. Mouthwash, this is a good one. It doesn't like, it's not like very hot, so like it doesn't like burn your mouth. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Okay, it doesn't like it's not, oh, how do I say it? You know, like how some mouthwashes to be very like hot and like it leave your mouth kind of tingly afterwards. Well, this one doesn't. This one is like chef's kiss, perfect. Then going on like the oral hygiene, I got some Colgate Max White toothpaste. This is just, I don't even know if this works or not, but it has the nicest taste. Yes, I'm 6 years old. It has the nicest taste and like it's just easy. So yeah, I definitely recommend the Max White Colgate. They have like a load of different varieties of this, and this is always on special in Boots. Like it's always like 2 for buy one get another one third of the price, or buy 2 get one half price or something like that. So they always have some sort of deal going, and also you get Boots points on it, so that's why I like Boots. Then I got a Love Beauty and Planet Shea Butter Body Lotion. This is like my favorite body lotion. It's just like, it's literally, it's so good. Like, it not only does it smell amazing and applies amazing, like it doesn't like leave your skin feeling sticky or tacky, like it just absorbs straight in, which is amazing. But like it's also vegan. The bottle is made from 100% recycled materials. Like it's all natural ingredients. Like there's no silicones, parabens, colorants. It's like, it's just natural. And like, is that not what you want? Like, it's natural. You don't want to be applying fake stuff to your body. Like that's that's not the vibes we're going for in 2020. All natural. And then following from that, I have the body butter. This is amazing. Like I just have to smell it because like it's just, it actually makes me so happy. Like you don't understand, like just smelling it makes me happy. Like that's that's how it is. Like smelling it makes me happy. But this is the same. Like it's vegan, 100% recycled materials, and I like the color of it. Like it's not like, it's just like, you don't feel like bad throwing away the container because it's recycled materials. Like, yeah, and I love to support a company that is all for, you know, natural, vegan, like not tested on animals, no animal products. Like it's good for the environment. It's natural shea butter. It's natural. That's take anything from this video, any word, it's natural. And then I got my favorite face wash. This is the Bulldog Sensitive face wash for men. This is the best. Like I went through so many different types of like face washes and moisturizers and like majority of the brands I've tried, but like this, like Bulldog, it just leaves my skin like feeling like snatched. I can't believe I said that word. But like it's the best because like another Nivea one and like the Sensitive one. What one is it? Nivea. Yeah, well the Nivea one anyway. That one breaks me out like that. Like as soon as I apply it, I can already feel like the spots just like coming to the surface. Like that's like my skin's like nah. It only likes Bulldog, and this isn't expensive either. It's actually very affordable. It's actually one of the more affordable like face washes, which is a cherry on top. And then I got 2 of the Triple Age Renewal Hydrating Eye Serums. This is from the Botanics range. I love the Botanics range. Like it's my favorite one. I've tried the ordinary skincare and like it was really good. Like, it was really good and it hydrated my skin. But I think it was like, I think I used it too much, to be honest, because I started breaking out down here. And then like the next couple of days I used like, but went back to my normal skincare routine, and like my skin cleared up again. So like, I don't know, maybe I was putting too many products on my face, because like the ordinary one is like just like a serum, something you apply on after the serum, then the moisturizer. It was just, I think it was a lot for my skin. So like, I went back to like using my serums, like my normal, the Botanics, the Boots Botanics range. And I also got the Radiance Skin Serum. This is amazing. Like, I don't know if I have sensitive skin, but like my skin can't handle like everything. So like, I mean, because it broke out when I used too much products. But like this, like, it's so good. Like, the Botanics range is just so like, I definitely recommend it. And it's not even like expensive. It's one of the more affordable like serums, like, kind of, you know, range that sells serums. Like, it's one of the more affordable ones. So like, I mean, I definitely recommend it. And also like, I really like the packaging. It's like, oh my my actual heart almost jumped out of my skin. A bird like just landed at the window and like flew off. And that, my friends, is everything I got on Boots. These are very hard to like take out of. Oh my god. Just because I don't want, like, say, want them to look like they're like real. So I don't want them to be bent at the bottom. So, and these are massive, these ones. They're like actual like trees. And that's what I want. So what I do is I kind of like line it up with the jug. So I mean, it needs to be about there. Ah! Like, how are you supposed to cut through like a wire this size? Like, honestly, it's... Oh my god, like, what the... Okay, so they're in their little container now, and they're all trimmed, so it doesn't look like they're fake. I'm gonna get some water and like fill it up, just so it looks like they're getting watered, you know, and fed, and, you know, staying alive. If you're wondering where these are from, they're from Berries and Grey. They have like a few different types of eucalyptus plants. I have like both, two of the types they have. I have these ones. These ones are a bit more like plasticky feeling, but they also have another one which are like, they're called the blush ones, and they're like a lot like more like softer. So you don't really like, they're not as like narrow. They're like more kind of fluffy, if you know what I mean. But I do like these ones. These ones are more like sculptural, like they hold like a shape more, which I really like. Yeah, my curtains are coming tomorrow for there. I cannot wait. Oh my god, my table's not going to be here till next week though, which is unfortunate, but like also like it's okay. Like, I mean, I'm not going to cry about it. Maybe I will. I don't know. Okay guys, so today my chair arrived. This is my chair for in here that I'm going to be sitting on and relaxing on when I'm editing videos or just taking pictures on. So let's unbox it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what it is about it. I just think it's so cool. Okay, these are the instructions. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. Like, I mean, I probably won't even like realistically read the instructions. No, I'm only messing, I will. But like, yeah, seems pretty easy.